Well, actually, it was taas a gig last Wednesday. The last song, last note, last everything last. And I jumped from the drum raiser and landed on my bass. It kind of broke.
Shit, man.
But let's see if we can fix this. So Marco, tell me what we need to fix a bass.
Alright. First of all, you need soldering tool. And then you need lots of different kinds of strippers. And you need lots of wire. And then you need a multimeter, so you can check everything's okay. And of course, screwdriver here, soldering iron here, an empty box here, and this kind of you know,
Vacuumer.
yeah.
Yeah, that's for now. Let's see how it turned out. The missing part.
Okay, you just no.
That was